Want to do a little before?
Yeah, a little before the real. Still has a good haircut. Carpet later.
Yes.
And then
we gotta get a photo.
We gotta get lots of photos. Okay. Glamour shots. See you later, Scout. Pro hot mom. Hot mom.
GoPro hot mom.
GoPro hot mom is in the house. Highlighter Ari, let's go. See you on the red carpet.
Talk to you on the red carpet.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, boo.
Oh my gosh. I know. What's up, everyone? I'm here with Maggie Steffens. What are we doing, Maggie?
Feeling this music for hair and makeup time. Getting ready for the annual salute, baby.
50 years of Women's Sports Foundation tonight. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, this is DJ Sid.
I don't know anything about DJs. I just dance to whatever is on.